Explore the functionalities of FleetOnGo's dashboard with this guide. From accessing the main dashboard to viewing specific details like service costs, fuel quantity, alerts, and more, this guide will help you navigate through various sections efficiently. Click FleetOnGo logo to access the main dashboard. This section provides a snapshot of your entire fleet composition. This section will show critical safety and reliability metrics for your fleet. This section shows the maintenance and compliance tracking. This section shows details of driver and their availability. Navigate to fuel quantity. Navigate to service information for interactive chart showing service cost trends over time. Check critical notifications requiring immediate attention for driver licenses. Active maintenance work orders. Navigate to upcoming services section. Check renewal reminder section for comprehensive renewal tracking system. View inventory and parts tracking. Check the status of vehicles. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of FleetOnGo's dashboard features. Learn to access key information such as service costs, fuel quantity, alerts, job cards, upcoming services, renewal reminders, spare parts, and vehicle status through a series of engaging instructions.